Okay, we just got a late package from Amazon. It has a box full of goodies that we bought each other for Christmas. I'm gonna start off by opening up this package. Don't really know what it is, but I'm gonna go ahead and cut open this and see what's in here. No need in wrapping it because it's after Christmas, so let's open this bad boy up. Okay. We have a titanium needle roller that's good for the face or for the hair or for the skin. That's what that looks like. We're gonna check that out. It's supposed to be good. And now we'll open up this box here. Are you ready?
Yeah, what you got there?
We got another camera so we can take better videos. Look at that. Digital 4K. 4K. Digital camera. So now we can take better videos of our stuff. This is something that Jovi said was good. It's organic dried butterfly pea flour. It's not actually the flour. It's like a powder that you put inside
That's
a drink.
named in the Philippines like a blow right?
Yeah, it's like a boiling water. Add 2-3 pieces of more dried butterfly pea flour for every cup. Let steep for 2-5 minutes to make the tea purple. Just put lime or acidic juice. This is some kind of drink that's supposed to be good for you. Also got another disc card so we can take more videos. It's 128 gigs. And I'm not sure what this is. Let's open this up. And let's see what's in this bag. This is something for Jovi, so when she's making her home videos, when she's cooking, it's another thing here that actually comes with a light, so she can put that on the stove, and it comes with a remote. Some things that come with it. These are the accessories here that she can either use a camera or she can use her phone. Has a few accessories here. Remote, so she can actually start and stop. Has a little warranty there. Has a little book on how to use the remote. And what's so cool about this is that it comes with like a light. It looks something like that, and there's directions here on how to hook it up. Yeah, it's cool. So that'll be the light. It has off and on. Okay, so we're gonna set this up. Stop. Okay, now it's time for my gift. 4K digital camera camcorder. Unbox it better videos, better quality. Got a USB cable. We got the manual here. Got the user's manual. Yeah, this is one of the accessories here. Look like we have the charging cable. This look like the wall adapter that goes with that. This looks like the battery. Comes with a battery there. Comes with microphone. See the controls there. Another battery. Comes with 2 batteries. This looks like a hood piece that goes on the front of the camera. Comes with a remote. I think this piece here is goes to the microphone and the camcorder. Goes your bag for what we know is the camcorder, which is very nice. See that? 48 megapixel. Nice. Nice. Very nice. And then projector. It's very nice. And now okay, we just got in our new tripod. It comes with a few attachments. It comes with a light, comes with the remote, comes with another accessory that you could use to install your cell phone. Of course, it can be used with a cell phone or with a camera. Now we get ready to install it. It's made pretty well. I like how it's sturdy. It's made very well. It locks, but it's easy to fold back up. Throw it inside a bag and take it with you. What we're going to do now, we're going to go ahead and install the accessories. Going to install a light. This light is very nice. It comes with this on and off switch here, and a few more things. I guess it's it has a plus, I guess, to brighten the light or to give it less, give it lesser light. It's very nice. Of course, down here it attaches to the tripod, and you can just turn it there. But it also has a thing here where you can actually tighten it up without turning it around in circles. You can actually tighten this thing up a whole lot easier. Now that's sturdy there. And here's your wall adapter that gives it power. It actually has a thing here that has a hole there that you plug it into. Then plug it into the wall. Of course, here, once you do that, you can hit the on switch, which is, as you can see there, it has a blue little thing there to let you know it has power. Turn it on. Now we're going to see what the plus does. Okay, it dims it. You got a dimmer. Plus. Okay. Then turn it off. this accessory, which is to hold your cell phone. So when you're doing your video, you can use your cell phone, or of course you can use your camera. Here, this adjusts depending on the size of your cell phone. Slide it through there. And then this remote, it works with either an iPhone or an Android. But to make it work, you have to sync it with your phone. So you have to go to your settings, go into Bluetooth, and then you can sync it to your remote. And that's how you're able to start your video, stop your video by using your remote. And that's it. Okay, now it's all put together here. It's just like a little trial run. We got we have our stand, and we have the light hooked up. We're going to use a cell phone just for this. And you have a on and off thing here, power. And that's what it's going to look like. So when you're doing your video, your own home video, and there's nobody there to help you, well, this thing will be perfect. You put it where you want to, where you want to make your own video. You got the light, good lighting, your cell phone. Have a remote here that it's either, I think, like for Android or for the iPhone. And I believe that once everything is set up right, that you can hit start and stop without having to touch your phone. And that's it.